Hey, what's up guys, Mitchell here, and it's currently 11:13 on the East Coast. Okay, someone needs to move this stuff out of the walkway, because I almost tripped over it. Okay, look, can you see through the blinds? That's lightning. Oh my gosh. Hardcore, baby. Yeah! That's not really good, isn't it? I was worried about you. Yeah, I know you can't see anything because there are no lights on. Now I'm talking much more quiet. Oh my god. It's blowing like heck over there. Great, now it's raining. What? I have to be quiet because my mom's sleeping. And I'm actually in LA. Okay, there's so much lightning going around. It's like, oh my gosh. What the heck is going on? I'm never gonna find a lightning bolt. Oh. I don't even know if I'm close. Charlie. It's okay, Charlie. Here, Charlie, I'll take you in a bit. I'm gonna go upstairs. Look through my bedroom window. I'm sorry, Charlie. I can't hold you and videotape at the same time. It's difficult. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me. I was whispering because I went through my mom's room and yeah, it was not a good time to talk, so I had to whisper. And if you didn't hear it, you may want to turn up your volume or put your speaker right next to your ear just so you can hear better. Okay, so we got Charlie on the bed with me. Oh, great. Still can't even see. There we go. Let's Charlie. Sup, guys? Charlie here. Alright, Charlie. Hold on. Come on. Now. Good thing my floaty was tied to a rope which was tied to the ladder. Oh, Monty, come in. I have all the cats in here. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I mean, look, Charlie. Charlie Schilling. Charlie, look at the camera. Charlie. Is not even gonna look at the camera. Hey! No fighting in my room. That was a spur of the moment thing. Why don't you just look through the window? Or maybe I could just show it. I don't know if you can really see it. I'm pretty sure the brightest thing that you can see is my bedroom light. Which I know is kind of weird, but what can I say? That's what it's like when it's nighttime, when the sun's not shining. It's really gusty out there. Hold on. I have to go check the wind speed. Great, now I have to delete these applications that I recently installed on my phone. Shoots and ladders. Ew. That was way too soon. Honestly. Just give me another second. So what you guys doing right now while I'm under another severe storm? I've had 2 big severe storms in one day. How sick is that? Pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna check the Fox 2 Detroit app. If you live near Detroit, like if you live in Clarkston, Ortonville, which Ortonville's my hometown, or Pontiac, Waterford, or if you live like in Westland, Flint, possibly. Actually, yeah, Flint, or Port Huron. You should download this app. This is only for the people that live in southeastern Michigan. Like, people that live in Detroit, Livonia, Ortonville, Clarkston, Oxford, Waterford, Holly, Pontiac. Oh great, now it's raining. Now just let me check the weather. Yet I'm using my iPod Touch 4th generation right now, which came out in September of 2010. And this is what it says. Wait a minute, why is it saying 14 miles per hour? It sounds like it's blowing more than that, like maybe 20 miles per hour, which is about 30 I think that's 30 kilometers per hour. Yeah, it is 30 kilometers per hour. Oh my god. Well, I better get out of here before I lose power. So, thanks for— oh my gosh, I've been filming for almost 10 minutes, I gotta hurry. Alright, thanks for watching, and until next time, deuces. Hope you don't lose power.